very busy. I think it's been open about an hour. Oh yeah, if the camera can just see him, he's the, what's he called? Pardo. Yeah, he's a jester and he's like the Mickey Mouse of the park. So, first ride of the day, Vogel Rock.
Are you excited?
Yeah, that's what we watching.
The big egg. I don't know what to expect, so probably, yeah. So how was that?
That was an intense first ride. I don't know what it was meant to be like, but I kind of felt like I was an egg being born. Like, it was just, my head is scrambled. It
was good though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a good first ride, definitely. And we went to, we're right at the back of the park.
Yeah, so we legged it here because there was only a 10-minute wait.
Is that the next one?
Yeah, I think so. I was going to say a bit tamer, but it's quite high. How's your height?
Yeah, height is fine. We're in a pancake crepe house, and yeah, I don't know if you can hear us at all. Like everyone says, the theme in this theme park is unreal. It's everywhere. Every bit you look at, there is something different.
Cool. Like sugar shaker. What have we got? Nice.
So we got two. We're going to share them. This one is a apple, cinnamon, sugar, and raisin. And then this one here is ham, cheese, and mushroom. So yeah, let's get tucked into these.
Dear guests, welkom in Symbolica. Dat is wel het allergrootste belang dat Wat is dit?
Tovertwinkels, hallo allemaal.
Pardoes, onze koninklijke tovenaar.
Wat een saaie boel.
Wat doe jij hier?
Ik heb een veel leuker idee. Geen audiëntie, geen regels, maar...
Music? Right, let's go for that one then. I've just been on Symbolica. We chose the music route. You got a choice of three. Yeah, what tour you want to do, and yeah, it was very fantasy, very Netherlands, really.
Do you think it was like really well done?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, the theme in here is amazing. Like everything you look at, every little bit, there's something different.
There's a bit with like the planetarium. I thought that was amazing.
Yeah, the planetarium, and like it doesn't matter which angle that you look at something, you're always getting like an idea of like the story. It's really good.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Oh God.
Netherlands. So, chicken snack.
I mean, they look kind of gross, but they are.
And just open one.
Yeah, not for me. Not for me at all.
It's like chicken and cornflakes.
Chicken in that? What is that?
It's like, I'm having it. Novel?
Good novel. I'm not having you on.
How am I supposed to do this? Do that?
You're not. You're supposed to be able to turn the key. What about pulling and turning? Well.
I'll put it out.
Gepland kan je voor €60 op en neer of zo.
No.
This looked too good to leave behind.
What one are we going on?
Fatana.
Fata Morgana. Queue's been not bad, is it? So,
No, queue's been right.
yeah. See what it's like.
Je vous en prie, dollars, please, bucks. Get this move.
This guy, I mean, it's quite obvious his name, he's called Long Neck. They're cool? What do you think?
European fairy tales are peculiar.
Peculiar European fairy tale.
I don't know what's going on.
Sneak on the jobs. Does sound like you. Josh has been saying all day he's been trying to find the donkey that poos gold. And I've been like, what are you on about?
There's a donkey that poos gold.
There's not.
And there he is.
You found him, have you?
Found him. I don't know how you activate him, but he does poo gold.
Sure, we'll find out. You're right. He did poop gold.
I'm going to make him poop gold.
What's going on here? Oh, you can pay contactless for the pooping donkey. Hey! Well done. Let's see your gold. What was it saying? What is it?
It's like a gold medallion. Oh, there's a witch on that side.
That's cool.
And then it's like a family crest on that side.
Very good. You happy?
Yeah, souvenir. So I'm going on Baron, last ride of the day, and I am cacking it a little bit. I'll take it.
U zijt
It was at this moment he knew. He up.